welcome to the Runo and Nio channel.
My name is Nio.
And I'm Runo. And today we're making
pancakes! Remember, it's chocolate pancakes.
No, it's not. It might be lemon pancakes. So we've already got our mix. We just have to put the oil and the sugar in. Okay, Nio? You can help?
Yeah.
We've got our rotisserie. It's keeping whipped until it's nice and smooth. Okay? I'm going to get the vegetable oil. So the next ingredient is the vegetable oil. Oh, that made a splash, didn't it? Okay, whip it in the bowl and I will whisk it. You can see it. Nio, man. Look, you can see it. Just keep on chopping. So now I'm going to go whisk it.
Oh.
Nio, stop. So you can see that it's getting all nice and smooth. But the last thing that we need to do is like pop all the little bubbles, because that means that the flour is not all of the flour is mixed up. Like that. Okay? Now okay, well the pancake is ripping a little, but it's better than the other one. Yeah.
Yeah. That's how I did it.
Oh, whoops. I better stop flipping it before it gets even more broken. Because it's going to be hot, okay? Careful, next time don't do that. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the spray on. Okay, pancakes finished. Pancakes eaten, not yet. It's the final product of the pancakes. Okay, so the video is now finished. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you know when our next videos come out. Bye!
No.
Okay, so this is the pancake. I've rolled it up, put some more thing in it and sugar. So it's nice.
It's yummy without the sugar.
It's so good.
It's yummy without the sugar.
It's delicious. Bye.